After publishing your HTML5 and saving it as a zip file on your computer, log into your LearningZen author account and open the course you want to embed the content into. Now select the desired chapter. Click on the file importer. Using the Select button, select the zip file from your computer that you want to embed in the course. Specify the folder that you want the zip file extracted to. Most times, this will either be the course or video name. Now, click Upload and Extract Files. Once you have uploaded your zip file, click on the Document Embed tool. Browse the folder you just created and select the index.html file and click Insert. Your HTML content is now embedded in the chapter of your LearningZen course.